Harley-Davidson Street Glide. Best Motorcycle Review. Proper bagger for touring and style, 2017 on. The Harley-Davidson Street Glide is a definitive bagger, with panniers and plexiglass screen. HD's best-selling model gets what Harley call a major upgrade for 2017 with the introduction of the all-new, partially oil-cooled and 4-valve Milwaukee 8 motor along with some subtle suspension tweaks. It's a welcome improvement and will no doubt keep the Harley faithful happy, but non-devotees will struggle to notice much of a difference. Still probably the Harley to have, though. This bike replaced the 2010 to 2016 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. During 2017 MCN ran a Harley-Davidson Street Glide on the long-term test fleet. We covered thousands of miles on it, learning about its comfort and also how easy it is to pick a bike of this size up off the floor. Ride quality and brakes. New for 2017 were big piston Showa forks, which are claimed to deliver improved damping with both rear shocks now adjustable via a single knob on the left-hand unit. The result, again, is not radically different, but definitely more refined, assuredly plush, seemingly in control and pleasingly more easily adjustable than ever, but don't expect a big difference. Engine. Now badged the Milwaukee 8, Harley's traditional 45 degrees V-twin is bigger, 1,745 cubic centimeters from 1,690 cubic centimeters, and gets new heads featuring 4 valves in either oil, as here, or liquid, on the full dressers, cooling. Torque is up a claimed 11%, power is boosted, and it's also smoother and more economical. It is punchier, smoother and better sounding, but not by as much as you might expect. Reliability and build quality. The design may be conservative and some of the engineering slightly, rustic, although now it's much better than most realize, but the quality in terms of thick chrome and beautiful paint etc. is as good as ever. With the new engine there has to be a slight question mark over reliability, but we've no reason otherwise to anticipate any concerns. Our Harley-Davidson Street Glide owner's reviews show a happy buyer who wishes the screen was taller due to turbulence. Value versus rivals. Harley ownership never comes cheap, and with prices starting at over £20,000, or over £1,000 more than the old Harley-Davidson Street Glide, that's certainly not changed here. On a positive note, however, running costs are more affordable, the economy of the new engine is claimed to be improved and residual values are the envy of the whole motorcycle industry, so what goes around comes around. Equipment. Apart from the suspension and engine, the rest of the Street Glide is unchanged. That said, most of it was completely overhauled under the Project Rushmore revisions to Harley's touring range in 2014, and all of it, new bodywork, upgraded Brembo brakes and suspension, LED lights, and, on some models, Harley's impressive, new touchscreen infotainment system, was, despite only subtly changed styling which gives an impression of status quo, a genuinely big leap forward, and the same is true now. Specs. Engine size 1,745 cubic centimeters. Engine type 45 degrees pushrod V-twin. Frame type tubular steel double cradle. Fuel capacity 22.7 liters. Seat height 685 millimeters. Bike weight 376 kilograms. Front suspension Showa big piston forks, no adjust. Rear suspension twin rear shocks adjustable for preload. Front brake twin discs with 4-piston Brembo calipers. ABS. Rear brake single disc with twin-piston Brembo caliper. ABS. Front tire size 130/60x19. Rear tire size 180/65x16. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption. Annual road tax £101. Annual service cost £290. New price £20,695. Used price £16,700 to £20,000. Insurance group 17 of 17. How much to insure? Warranty term 2 years. Top speed and performance. Max power 88 brake horsepower. Max torque 111 ft-lb. Top speed 110 miles per hour. A quarter-mile acceleration. Tank range